Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Youself JJ. Today video, the real application of Tiger Kung Fu. Let's go. Alright, so for the Tiger Kung Fu, the grappling and strike. So how to use it? If someone to punch you, we go boom, quick blocking. That's the first move, and then you can do hold like this. Of course, you can to smash the face, but also you can push away, or you got boom, a trip like that. Thank you, Jonathan. Okay, let's talk about how to use the elbow with Tiger Kung Fu. So in this part of Tiger Kung Fu, we show how to use your knee and also the elbow. So normally we use our knees to go straight to attack, or you can go sideways. But also we can use, so when my chief to attack me, so with someone step right here, you can use your knee press down. If he strike, you can redirect your hand right here and boom, that's the elbow. You can attack like this with the left. So some you can boom, your elbow can go behind right this way, right? Of course, you can use your elbow up, boom, from top go down. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I see you in next video. Thank you so much, Matthew. Bye bye. Good, thank you.